At 360. 360 tayo. MJ Marpor.
Experience, well, concept pa lang, emotional na kami lahat, lalo na ako. So I feel like, sana nagiging mo sa lahat. It was a very emotional. I can really just say they're very professional and the best actresses talaga. I think ito ang pinakamaanghang at pinakamasakit na pelikula nila tayo. Yeah, dalawang keywords.
Julia!
Alright, so please watch and have it showing in 200 plus cinemas nationwide starting on August 14th.
Joshua!
Thank you. Sana nagustuhan nyo.
Sana mag-enjoy kayo sa movie. Maraming salamat. Nagpapasalamat na ako sa Star Cinema, sa ABS-CBN bosses, sa mga taga-suporta na nandito, at sa mga loved ones ko na nanood. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much.
Bianca De Vera!
Ayun, thank you everyone for your time. I know it's a little traffic today, but yes, you still made time for us, and we're so excited to watch the film as much as you are also. So, ayun, I hope you guys enjoy the night.
Kyla Estrada!
And good evening, everybody. Thank you so much for coming and making time for us. We're so excited for you guys to watch the movie. And yeah, I hope you guys still support Unhappy For You when it comes out in cinemas. Sabihin niyo sa mga kaibigan niyo, sa pamilya niyo na panoorin yung pelikula nito kasi napakaganda ng pelikula na ginawa namin. So thank you guys so much and I hope you guys enjoy.
Ketchup, Eusebio, hello, thank you so much.
Magandang gabi po at maraming salamat sa pagdalo at sabay-sabay po natin i-enjoy itong pelikula. Tomorrow po ay nationwide na papanood na po itong aming pelikula. So maraming salamat po.
Bob Gonzalez!
Yes, hello po, good evening. Gusto ko po mag-hello sa mga ABS-CBN bosses, Star Cinema, sa Viva, ng mga bosses dyan. And I would like to thank sa aking Rice family and sa Sparks Camp family. Thank you for coming. Sabay-sabay po tayong tumawa, umiyak, mag-relax sa movie na to. And showing na nga po, Happy For You. Tribute po namin to all the loves that mattered.
Yes! Ito na nga, Julia Barreto!
Hi! Good evening! Sobrang ko nagpapasalamat sa family, sa friends namin, sa colleagues namin that really went out of their way tonight to show their support. It really means everything to us. Sa management namin, Star Cinema, Viva Films, our bosses, our heads, thank you so much for making this possible. And I hope you guys enjoy. Sana magustuhan niyo yung pelikula, and if you do, please tell your friends also about it. Thank you.
Yes, and of course, Joshua Garcia!
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. gusto ko rin magpasalamat sa lahat, sa mga fans, sa family namin na nandito, sa friends namin na nandito, sa mga bosses, thank you. To Star Cinema, maraming salamat din sa pagtitiwala sa amin ni Julia. And sa Viva Films, of course, and sa buong team ng Unhappy For You, ito na yun, finally, yung pinaghirapan natin. And ayun, sana mag-enjoy po kayo ngayong gabi. Thank you po.
Yes, maraming salamat. Ito na nga, one group photo tayo dito.